Okay, so I'm just going to quickly explain how exactly NF-kappa B signaling is occurring, and we may as well just use the example here of activation occurring via interleukin-1 receptors, which are obviously going to be activated by interleukin-1 beta. So what it does is it binds to its receptor, and it's going to basically allow these, as you see, these are known as TIR domains, and they're just like in these cytoplasmic domains which can interact with the myeloid differentiation factor 88 here. And then these will interact with two kinases. You see IRAK1 and IRAK4. And these will actually interact with two different types of molecules, TRAF1 and, TRAF6 rather, and something else. It's not just TRAF6, it's TRAF6 and TRECA1. And these are basically ubiquitin ligases. So this could be an E3 ubiquitin ligase, and TRECA1 is an E2 ligase, which allows for the formation of this chain here, which is our polyubiquitin chain. And it's not only interacting with the TRAF6s, which are ligases, right, and TRECA1, but it's also interacting with NEMO. And this, therefore, as you can see, will activate a different type of kinase called TAC1, which can go ahead and phosphorylate the IKB kinase, specifically at the beta subunit of the IKB kinase. And this can therefore come down and phosphorylate the inhibitor of the dimeric NF-kappa B transcription factors. So we have the phosphorylation being done by IKB kinase, specifically by the following phosphorylation of the beta subunit by TAC1. And then this phosphorylation of the IKB alpha, which is the inhibitor, if we move up onto here, means that it can undergo polyubiquitin degradation, and this will allow it. This happens at the proteasome, and then basically we have degradation, like I've just mentioned, of this inhibitor, leaving our free dimeric transcription factors to translocate into the nucleus, and therefore they can upregulate all these various different things. And what's interesting is it's kind of allowing for some negative feedback, because as well as being really important in producing these things that are necessary for inflammation and fighting infection, basically important things responsible for the immune system, we also have this upregulation of the IKB alpha, the actual inhibitor.